When's the last time you ate your recommended 2 to 3 cups of vegetables and leafy greens per day? Meet the Click and Grow 25, a farmer's market in your own home. The most advanced, space and energy-efficient indoor growing system ever made. It works like an espresso coffee machine, only instead of coffee pods, you'll be using biodegradable plant pods to grow the freshest greens all year round.
I started Click and Grow with a dream to make fresh food available and accessible for everyone. With the Click and Grow 25, we finally made it happen in a sustainable way. I believe we are all going to be growing some of the food at home soon, and I'm certain we've developed the best solution to do just that.
The Click and Grow 25 is the only indoor home plant growing solution able to produce sufficient harvest in order to support a healthier diet. The garden takes care of seeds, light, watering, nutrients, and oxygen, all without GMO seeds, herbicides, pesticides, or any other harmful substances. We built the Click and Grow to work for various spaces and needs, from small studio apartments to restaurants. The system is fully modular, meaning you can build a setup that works specifically for your consumption. All you have to do is fill the tank, insert the plant pods, and plug it in. The system takes care of the rest. Our unique patented tray system means you can create the perfect rotation of plants, ensuring you always have an abundance of fully grown greens available. You create the continuous cycle of greens. After harvesting a tray of 5 grown plants, just add new pods. The tray also makes it easy to take the ready-to-harvest leafy vegetables to the kitchen and add them to your meals, garden to plate.
I struggle to make my kids eat healthy, but after using it for 2 months, I can definitely say that we all ended up eating better. We grew all sorts: kale, lettuce, arugula. I found myself adding them to almost every meal. The best part, snacking on what's garden ready has become normal for my kids. They feel connected to what we grow.
I consider myself to be relatively healthy, but I do order in. With this, I've been adding greens to whatever I order or whatever I make at home, because it's just easy to be consumed. So I feel it's made a positive impact, freeing up my time and my energy. Not worrying about whether I made bad decisions with my diet, now I can focus on things that I want to do.
The plant pods are a product of rigorous material science, with nutrients calibrated precisely to support each plant species. The highest quality farming from the comfort of your home. The Bluetooth app means you have full control of your garden, giving you an overview of your plants and their growth stages. Get updates in real time and ideas for a healthier, better and simpler meals.
With the impact of population growth and the demand on our natural resources, it is inevitable for us to become more self-sufficient. We devoted to making growing food a natural way of life by combining technology with nature. We can and should connect with what we eat. You definitely feel the benefits, both physical and an emotional level.
Muidugi ma tahan oma külalistele parimat pakkuda. Aga mõnikord võib maitserohelise leidmine olla keeruline. Click and Grow 25 on mind palju aidanud. Ja mis põhiline, see aitab mul vähendada toidu raiskamist, kasvatada täpselt nii palju kui vaja.
We have more than 10 years of experience developing smart growing devices and have built a community of home growers across the globe.
In the dead of winter. Wow. Salad, herbs.
I'm confident that this solution will make a large-scale difference in how and what we consume on a daily basis.
The Click and Grow 25 is the most energy and space-efficient indoor plant growing solution. So worry less and eat better with the help of the Click and Grow 25.